Ayan guys, nandito pa rin tayo. Dito kami magla-lunch. Ayan, dito kami magla-lunch. Hi, Ateng!
Hi, Didi! Dali!
Ayan. Dito kami kakain.
Dito tayo.
Oo.
Dito na lang.
Yep. Ayun, may river. Ayan. May river din sa baba. Ayan, ang ganda.
Yan. May kamote ka.
Mapuno.
Yay! Sarap na may ate.
'Di ba? Sarap talaga.
Andrea!
Ayan, marami kami. May dalawa nang umalis kasi may lakad. So, we're gonna eat lunch, tapos another 2 hours of walk. Then, done na kami. Ayan. Mainit nga naman. Yan. Sorry guys, nauga ko ang camera.
Ang ganda dun.
Oo. So kakain na tayo, no? Kainan na. Mag-lip balm muna tayo bago ang lahat.
I hope not long queue.
So
Ala.
how many viewers you have in your blog? 1 million?
Abuse? Oh no.
People watch your.
Yeah, I'm just started 3 months.
Yeah.
So I have like almost 900.
Good, you started.
Yeah, I just started.
You know, schools are extended again.
Yeah. Annie is very much aware because her classes, she's still doing it. Her classes.
So guys,
She should stop.
may baon. May nagbigay sa akin ng siopaw kanina.
Okay. Go.
Siopaw. Asado. And I have orange. Orange. Prepare ni Josie. They know Josie. Yan. At meron akong onigiri. Onigiri, Japanese style na pambaon, 'di ba? Ito ba yung nag-exercise tapos I'm gonna eat a lot. After a long hike, I'm gonna eat a lot. And I have apple too. Yan. I have apple. So, siguro,
I like the trees.
ayan. So, most of, mga kasama namin is, flight attendant. And friends, yung mga friends nila. And this is Ning. And this is
Andreas.
Andreas.
Cheers.
Yan. And si Ning Ning. O, kilala nyo na si Ning kasi kasama ko siya sa isang vlog ko. Ayun si Ramin, nandun sa baba. Ayun, si Ramin. Kasama namin siya nung last na hike namin. Siya yung pinaka-leader namin sa aming hike. Teka lang. At bago ang lahat, dahil gusto mong itry ang aking
Sige.
gawa yan.
Ginawa mo?
Gawa ni Josie.
Ginawa ni Josie.
Tatlo lang to so tag-iisa lang tayo. Tatlo. Inahan ko, bigyan ko.
Hindi, sige, bibigay ko yung
Tatlong piraso.
Andreas, you want the shop out?
I take one.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want the shop out.
Is your only one?
No, I have.
I have one here.
And you want alcohol?
No.
Akala ko alcohol. At alcohol na nakakalasing. Naloka ko kay Ning.
I took a lot of
Diyos
soap.
ko po,
You know,
Ginoo.
that's very precious now, right? Alcohol.
Yan pala alcohol para sa kamay.
I want to go to the toilet and put
Ah,
also
nus pa ng kamay.
sunblock. Okay, I go first to toilet.
Punta ko ng toilet?
Oh, ikaw, dyan ka lang.
Hindi man ako naiihi. So guys, ito yung onigiri. Ang laman niya is salmon and Japanese rice tapos may mayonnaise.
I'll go when Lunar comes back because seems like there's a line.
Oh really? Big
I
you?
also have ay, nasa na pala.
He works on weekends in the bar and during the week in the restaurant.
Oh, so hardworking.
He has to because I don't pay him anymore.
No, no. Even his friends.
Now you have to study your French, right? So you can go to school, into hotel school.
Yeah.
They have two languages in that school, English and French. He has to have French, but he cannot write French. He can only speak French, you know. So I told him to learn, to get his French up and running while he's working. So he goes to evening classes. But I must say, this summer, I was 1 week with him in Morsha, and he was cooking for me. I was pleased.
Nice.
I was
So you
pleased.
work together. That's nice. Okay.
I was pleased to see them. I'm impressed by this space here and the trees. Beautiful.
Sis, kunan ko lang dun ah. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung river.
Pinakagrabe yun. Hindi ganyan ha. Kasi bundok bababa ka akin bababa. Ano pa yun ha? Is lower ba?
Ayan. Ayan yung river. Wala masyadong tubig kasi mainit naman eh. Siguro pagka rainy season, siguro ano, matubig. Ayan.
Tapos hindi ko makaligo. Sabi ko hindi ko na matigis. Na walang liguan. Grabe. Isang araw. Ligo na ako. Walang...
Ayan! Like ko. So guys, mamaya na ulit. Papakita ulit sa inyo mamaya yung nadaanan namin. Sa ngayon, kakain muna kami.
Kabata.
Sige lang atin.
Ayaw mo?
Kuha ako. Sige.
Buka na.
Ito lang. Kamote. Sarap. Ano yan?
You want some?
Where's Carlos now?
Oh, sure.
Where's
Yeah, here.
Carlos now?
He's doing, thing.
Meron ka?
Is he in the States?
He's doing, no, he came back.
Bye
And
guys.
then he's doing an online